Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tone in Titanfall 2. First, understand that Tone's primary weapon is the 40mm tracker cannon. This cannon applies a lock-on to enemies with each hit. Once you have 3 locks, you can unleash a powerful salvo of rockets. Remember to use your sonar pulse to reveal hidden enemies and gain those crucial locks quickly. Mastering these basics is key to becoming an effective Tone pilot. To maximize Tone's offensive potential, always aim for 3 lock-ons before firing your rockets. This ensures maximum damage output. Deploy your particle wall strategically to provide cover while you're engaging enemies, allowing you to safely build those locks. A great tactic is to hit an enemy with a sonar pulse, then immediately follow up with tracker cannon shots and rockets. This combination overwhelms opponents and secures quick eliminations. Tone isn't just about offense. Strong defense is vital. Use your particle wall to block incoming enemy fire, giving you time to reload or reposition. It's also excellent for protecting allies. Your sonar pulse isn't just for offense. It's a fantastic tool for revealing flanking enemies or those hiding behind cover, preventing ambushes. Always try to maintain a medium engagement range, as this allows you to effectively land your 40mm shots and avoid close quarters brawls. For advanced play, anticipate enemy movements when deploying your salvo core to ensure maximum impact. Leading your target slightly can turn a good core into a devastating one. Learn to counter specific Titan matchups. For example, use your particle wall to block Ronin's shotgun blasts or Legion's power shot. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different approaches. Also, for incredible comfort and durability, check out the Darn Tough Socks link in the description, along with other great deals. These strategies will elevate your Tone gameplay significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.